Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, Dharya. Good evening, Siddhishri. How are you, beta?
Good evening, ma'am. Fine, ma'am.
Good evening. So, Dharya, have you done the worksheet which I have shared, Siddhishri?
On WhatsApp, ma'am. The group one.
Yes, beta?
The one you send on the group.
Yes.
I have done 6 questions. I have few
Sorry.
formatted.
Yes. Yes, Dharya?
I have done 6 questions, ma'am. I have 4 left.
Okay, rest are not done. Sorry. Rizwana, good evening, beta.
Good evening, ma'am.
How are you?
Fine, ma'am.
Children, wait for a few minutes so that other children can join. Okay, beta?
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, beta. How are you?
Fine, ma'am. Thank you. How are you, ma'am?
I'm also good. Thank you so much.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, Abhinav. Good evening, Kashvi. Good evening, Aryan.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening,
Good
ma'am.
Good evening, Sumuk.
Good evening, ma'am.
So, children, today we also continue our linear equation in two variable chapter, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Today we will complete that.
Ma'am, after that,
After that, application of trigo beta. Right? So, basically, Kashvi, what are your linear equation in two variable beta standard form?
ax plus by plus c is equal to 0.
Yes. And In this, we are talking about the pair of linear equations, right? In this chapter, we are talking about the pair of linear equations. So, pair of linear equations are a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. These are the pair of linear equations. Okay. So, yesterday we have solved the questions based on the consistency, right? Their solutions. So, see, determine the value of k. Determine the value of k for which the following linear equations have no solution. Equations have no solution. Children, kindly turn on your camera if possible.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, Pranya. Am I clearly audible, children?
Yes.
Ma'am.
Grade 10. Okay. So now we have given two equations. One is 3k plus 1 into x plus 3y minus 2 is equal to 0. And then second is k square plus 1 into x plus k minus 2 into y minus 5 is equal to 0. So these are our two equations. So before starting it, let's rewind. That there were three cases.
Ma'am. Ma'am.
Am I audible, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So children,
Ma'am,
yes,
in the test they won't mention about the method we are using, right? For example,
yes.
some of
If it
the
is, yes. In see, if you will see previous year question paper, they have written only solve the equation in few papers. And in few papers, they have written solve the given pair of linear equation by elimination method, by substitution method. So you need to use that method only. Okay.
like ma'am, if I use quadratic equations in linear equations question, is that okay?
Linear equation question, quadratic where?
We can fit in like ages problems or any other questions we can write.
Yes. Because the quadratic equation, see, beta, in grade 8 also, 9 also, you have learned how to find the roots, or you can say how to solve the
Ma'am, your voice is not
quadratic
audible.
equation, right? My voice is not coming clearly. Children, am I not clearly audible?
Now you are, ma'am. Now.
Okay. So, see, A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. First of all, you will find the ratios, beta. Then if A1 upon A2 is not equal to B1 upon B2 is equal to C1 by C2. So what was the condition? Moksha, line will be
Intersecting, ma'am.
Yes. And solution?
Maybe unique solution, ma'am.
Yes. Not maybe, sure. It will be unique solution. Because it will intersect only at one point. And system will be consistent. 2 is equal to B1 by B2 is not equal to C1 by C2. There,
Yes, ma'am.
tell me.
Ma'am, can you repeat
This
once
will
more?
represent which equation? Which lines? Which type of
Ma'am,
line?
no solution, ma'am. Parallel lines.
Yes. Parallel lines will be there and no solution. And if solution is not there, then system will be inconsistent. Right? And third is, if all three ratios are equal, Kashvi, if all three ratios are equal,
Coincident.
the lines will be coincident. Yes, very good. And then solution?
Infinitely many solutions.
Yes, very good. Infinitely many. And what about the system?
Consistent.
Yes, consistent. So here, see, the linear equation have no solution. So no solution, it means this property you will use this second type. A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2 is not equal to C1 upon C2. First of all, mark them as equation 1 and 2. Okay. So you will write first of all, comparing both equations with A1x plus B1y plus C1 is equal to 0 and A2x plus B2y plus C2 is equal to 0. Okay. So next is, now compare. Here coefficient of x is what? Speak children. 3x plus 1. And here the coefficient of x is A1. So therefore value of A1 will be 3k plus
3K
1.
plus.
Yes. Now come to second term. Coefficient of y here 3.
3.
And coefficient of y is here B1. So therefore value of B1 will be 3. Okay. Now plus C1. Constant term. So here is minus C2. So value of C1 will be minus. Clear? So now next is, now come to next equation, that is second. Here coefficient of x is k square 1, k square plus 1, and here coefficient in second equation is at a2. So value of a2 will be k square plus 1. Now come to second term of second equation. So here coefficient of y is k minus 2 and here coefficient of y is b2. So value of b2 will be k minus 2. Right? So constant term here is written minus sign. So value of C2 will be minus. Clear? Now you will write that we have given equations have no solution. Therefore, A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is not equal to C1 by C2. So now beta, just put the values of A1, B1, all the values. So right here, A1 is 3k plus 1, A2 is k square plus 1, B1 is 3, B2, k minus 2, not equal to minus 2 by minus 5. Right, beta? So now cross multiply. Cross multiply, beta. So it will be 3k k plus 1 into k minus 2 is equal to 3 times k square plus. Now open the bracket, children. So you will write, first of all, you will multiply k minus 2 by 3k. So 3k square minus 6k, then multiply by what? With 1. So plus k minus 2 is equal to 3k square plus 3. 3k square cancel. So minus 5k. Now transpose minus 2 to the right hand side. So 3 plus 2, 5. So value of k will be minus 1. This is the answer. Understood, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Only Kashvi and Pranya have understood. What about other? Somok,
Understood,
Sudhanshu,
ma'am.
Understood,
Siddhishri,
ma'am.
Understood, ma'am.
Understood.
Yes.
Rizwana, Purya, Moksha.
Understood, ma'am.
Rizwana, have you understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Rizwana, you please see all the recordings, beta. Okay, watch the videos. If you will find a difficulty in anything, in any chapter, you can contact me. Okay, beta?
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes, beta?
ma'am, I got a question, ma'am,
Yes.
from my worksheet. Can we do it now?
Okay, okay, it's okay. Yes, I will clear. Just wait. Children, have you written this?
Yes.
Okay. Aryan, have you written? Children, I am
Yes.
asking this thing again and again. Kindly write each and every step in your
Yes.
exam, else your marks will be deducted. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
From last step.
Even I will not deduct your marks. Your school teacher will also deduct your marks. Your board teacher will also deduct your marks. Okay.
Completed, ma'am.
Done?
Ma'am, just want to show the last thing, ma'am. If I
Yeah. Fine.
completed, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, Abhinav, tell your doubt, beta.
Ma'am, am I audible?
Yes, you are audible.
Yes, ma'am. So Jaya scored 40 marks in a test, getting 3
Jaya,
marks for
just wait. Let me write. Jaya got
40 marks
40 marks, okay,
in a test,
in a test, okay,
getting 3 marks for each correct answer,
getting 3 marks for each correct answer, okay,
and losing 1 mark for an incorrect answer.
okay, and for losing 1 mark for incorrect, okay,
Had 4 marks been awarded for each correct answer?
has 4 marks.
Ma'am, like if 4 marks have been awarded
If
for each correct
4
answer,
marks have been, okay, just wait. If 4 marks have been awarded, okay,
2 marks were deducted for incorrect answers.
2 marks
Were deducted for incorrect answer.
were deducted for incorrect, okay,
Then Jaya would have scored 40 marks.
for, just wait, for incorrect answer, correct answer, and Jaya got,
Then Jaya would have scored 40 marks.
yes, 40 marks. In previous statement, it is also given 40 marks, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then,
Find the number of questions in the test.
okay, find the number of questions in a test. See, Jaya got 40 marks in a test, getting 3 marks for correct answer. Okay. And losing 1 mark for incorrect answer. So if 4 marks have been awarded and 2 marks were deducted for incorrect answer, there are 2 conditions, beta.
Yes, ma'am. Like,
So I have
if,
written the correct statement. Can you please check?
yes, ma'am, it's correct, ma'am.
Ma'am, I guess we get two equations, ma'am. Like,
Yes. you will get two linear equations. Okay, so let the correct answer be X and incorrect answer, number of incorrect questions will be Y. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
so let's start then. So anyone children will try, else I will start explaining. Moksha, Pranya, Kashvi, Aryan,
Ma'am, just
Abhinav,
a minute.
Rizwana, Tanvi.
I'm about to be done, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Meher, good evening, Meher. How are you, beta? Dharya, are you able to solve? Bhuria,
Yes, ma'am.
Meher, Siddhishri, Sudhamshu, Sumo.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Children, you can suppose let correct answers be X, beta. Number of correct answers be X. And number of incorrect answers be Y. Right, beta? Now try to understand the question. Jaya got 40 marks in a test, getting 3 marks. Suppose, beta, your 2 questions are correct and each question is of 3 marks. Right? Then how many marks you will get then? 3 into 2, 6, beta? Right?
Yes,
Children,
ma'am.
Ma'am.
reply. So,
Yes.
according to the question, then 3x will be there because 3 marks are awarded for the correct answer. And children, suppose you have done 2 incorrect answers. Your answer 2 questions have wrong answer and minus 1 marks will be deducted. So how many marks will be deducted? Minus 2, minus 1 into 2 because 2 questions are there. So here also 1 mark is incorrect. Okay. So minus y. And how many marks he have got?
40.
40. This is the first equation. Now second condition. If 4 marks have been awarded to correct answer, it means 4x beta. And 2 marks were deducted. So minus 2y. Again, Jaya got 40 marks. This is your equation 2. Now what you can do? You can apply elimination method or substitution method. It's up to you, right, beta?
Ma'am, is X 20?
Abhinav, just tell x value of x is 20.
I haven't
Multiply.
solved it yet, ma'am.
Okay, equation 1 by 2. I am solving that. Equation 1 by 2 to make coefficient of y equal. Right? So here coefficient of x, y is 1 and here is 2. So we will make its coefficient equal. So multiply it. So 3 2 just 6 minus 2y is equal to 80. And then second will remain same. 4x minus 2y is equal to 40. Now children, the y terms in both the equation having same coefficient. So we can subtract it because they are having same sign. So we can't cancel them and we can't solve an equation. So you will subtract them minus, inner sign will change, plus, minus. So this will cancel. 6 minus 4, 2x is equal to 40. Then value of x will be
20.
20. Right? Now solve for y.
Ma'am, Y also is 20, ma'am.
Now put value of x. Very good, beta. Put value of x in equation 1. Put 3x minus t minus y is equal to 40, beta. So 60 minus y is equal to 40. Then value of y will be 20, right, beta? Both are having same value.
Yes, ma'am.
Now we have to find total number of questions. So total number of question will be correct answer, correct questions plus incorrect questions, right? So x plus y. So
40.
20 plus 20, it will be 40 questions. So in exam, there were 40 questions. Understood, Abhinav?
40 questions, right?
Yes. I
Total
guess
number
you
of
were
marks would be,
making wrong equation, right? Yes, beta?
ma'am, total number of marks would be 3 into 40, right? 3 into number of questions.
Total number of marks, they have already given 40 and 40.
No, like she scored 40, right?
Okay. Question paper marks.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So here it will be 20 plus 20 questions are 20 into 3. But there are two conditions, na beta.
Oh, ma'am.
When they are giving 3 marks, and in second condition, they are giving only 2 marks, right?
Oh,
Please
so
note
the
this,
number
children.
of question changes, right? Number of question
Yes,
changes
yes.
for 2.
Yes,
So
beta.
we need to
Both
write
the
2 cases answers.
No. Number of questions will remain the same. Only their marks will be changing. Or maybe maybe the total number of marks will remain same. You can check.
Ma'am,
3 into 20 minus. But marks is, yes, beta.
ma'am, I'll tell later.
Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Done? Okay. Now may I proceed to next question then?
Ma'am,
Yes,
even I have a few questions like from polynomial only.
1
Can
minute, ma'am.
Yes, you can ask.
Yes, ma'am. This one question I did it, but halfway I got stuck, ma'am.
Ma'am, could you just
Yes.
scroll up, ma'am? I
Yeah,
missed
just.
a step.
Pranya, just wait for a while, beta. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Completed.
Yes. Done, beta?
Completed.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Pranya, ask your doubt, beta. Okay.
Ma'am, mine is from
Okay.
polynomials, ma'am.
Pranya, it's okay.
Okay,
One
ma'am.
question you can ask. Then tomorrow we will conduct, tomorrow or day after tomorrow we will conduct doubt session. Okay.
Okay,
So
ma'am.
you will
Sure.
revise both the chapter, second chapter and third chapter. Then you can ask your doubts from these two chapters. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Ask your doubt then. One question you can ask. Okay.
Ma'am, they've given that if x minus 2 is a factor of the expression,
Factor of, yes.
factor of 2x cube
Yes.
plus ax square
Yes.
plus bx
Yes.
minus 14.
Hmm.
And when divided by x minus 3,
And when divided by x
X.
minus 3,
the remainder is 52.
the remainder is 52. Okay.
Find the values of A and B.
Find the values of A and B. See, anyone can tell me the solution. What we will be doing here?
Ma'am, we will substitute the value of
Moksha, Kashvi, Meher. Yes, beta. Yes, Meher.
ma'am, we just substitute the value of x as 2 or something.
Yes, because we have given that x minus 2 is a factor of this equation, cubic equation, right? So
Yes,
put the
ma'am.
value. Put the value, children.
Ma'am, when I did it, I got 4a plus 2b is equals to minus 2.
Okay. Let me check then. X minus 2 is a factor. So in solution, you will write as x minus 2 is the factor of polynomial. You will represent the given polynomial by px beta. 2x cube plus ax square plus bx minus 14. So it means therefore P2 will be equal to 0, right beta? Because this is a factor. It means it will completely divide the given polynomial, right? So put the values 2 into 2 cube plus a into 2 square plus b into 2 minus 14 is equal to 0. Am I clear this thing? Understood, children? What we are doing? We are
Yes,
putting
ma'am.
Yes,
value
ma'am.
of x in this equation. So now solve. 2 cube will be 8. A square 4a plus 2b minus 14 is equal to 0. So 16 plus 4a plus 2b minus 14 is equal to 0. Or you can write 4a plus 2b, 16 minus 4, 2.
Minus
So
2.
it will be equal to minus 2. Now you can divide this equation by 2. So divide by 2. We get a plus b is equal to minus 2. This is your equation 1. This thing all have understood?
Ma'am, isn't it minus 1?
Yeah, sorry. Because we are dividing it by 2 now, so it will be minus 1. So children all have understood this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now in second condition, we have given when it is divided by x minus 3, its remainder is 52. So when it is divided, so polynomial px is equal to 2x cube plus ax square plus bx. In grade 9, have you remembered about the remainder factor theorem? When divided by x minus 3. So x minus 3 will be equal to 0. Then value of x will be 3 beta. Now put this value in this equation. So P3 will be equal to 52. Have you remembered? When the given factor, when given factor is not completely dividing the given polynomial, then after substituting that value, you will get some value, right? Which is not equal to 0. If it comes
Ma'am,
equal to 0, that means it completely divides.
ma'am,
Rest. Yes,
ma'am, in
beta.
the first equation, isn't it supposed to be 2a plus b is equal to minus 1?
Yes,
Because
Yes.
ma'am.
4a.
Ma'am, even I was.
Yes, I've corrected it. Now see, so P3 will be equal to 52. It means the value of this polynomial, when you are putting value of x as 3, you will get 52. Now put the values here. Value 3. So 2 into 3 cube plus A into 2 square plus B into 2 minus 14 will be equal to 52. Got it my point? Got it my point, children? What I am going to
Yes,
do?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now solve it. A 2 ja again 16. 3 I am writing. So 3. So 9A plus 3B minus 14 will be equal to 52. Then 9A plus 3B plus 2 will be equal to 52. And you will get 9A plus 3B equal to 50.
Ma'am,
Yes.
3 cube is 27, right?
Oh, right. I thought about the 2 cube. So it will be 27 2 ja. 54. And it will be 40 then, right? Thank you so much, beta. 40. Then 52 minus 40. So 9A plus 3B is equal to 12. Now is it fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. So now this will be equation 2. Now easily you can solve equation 1 and 2.
We can divide it by 3, right?
3, ma'am.
Yes, you can divide, then it will be A plus B is equal to 4. This will be your second equation. Now you can solve. 2A plus B will be equal to -1 and 3A plus B is equal to 4. When you are having same sign, then you need to subtract. So subtract minus, minus, minus. So BB cancel. Minus A will be equal to -5. So value of A will be 5. Clear?
Okay, ma'am. Got it.
Yes. Now put value of A in equation 1. Now get the value of A. So 3 into 5 plus 4 in second equation I am putting plus B is equal to 4. So 15 plus B is equal to 4. The value B will be 4 minus 15 minus 11. Clear, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Please note this. This question is quite important. All have understood? Kindly
Yes,
show
Ma'am.
me your
ma'am.
thumbs up. Yes, beta.
Ma'am, how do you put the value of x as 3 and got
Because
54?
because we have given that when divided by x minus 3, it's remainder. In grade 9, you have remembered the remainder factor theorem.
Okay,
What
ma'am.
was the remainder factor theorem? Right? That if fx is the factor of given equation, then fa will be equal to the given polynomial. If it is a factor, it will be equal to 0. And if it is not equal to 0, it means it is not the factor.
Okay,
Okay?
ma'am.
Could you unshow
So
the
all have
question?
understood, children? Subhok, Sudhanshu, Siddhishri, Aryan, Pranya,
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Moksha, Dharya, Abhinav, Puriya, Kashvi, Pranya, Rizwana.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Please note this, children. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
in a
Understood.
father and father's age questions, right?
What?
Like how can in age related problems, how can we find
Yes.
sum of ages?
Sum of ages. So it will see if sum of brother and sister is given, suppose 27. Okay. Then you need to let brother's age or sister age be x. Then brother or sister age. Suppose the age of brother is x. Then sister age will be 27. Okay.
So we can do that
Or
by
you can
quadratic.
get y. Then x plus y is equal to x plus y is equal to 27. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
In two variable also you have you can suppose, or in one variable also you can do. In one variable, if you are using one variable, then you will get a quadratic equation. If you are taking two variables, then you can solve like this linear equation in two variables. Okay?
Because ma'am, my exams are coming up.
It's
If
okay.
I solve the questions in quadratic, means will I lose marks?
If chapter is given, if in your exam, chapter is given quadratic and linear, then you can use.
Like
Okay?
both
If
the
chapter
chapters
will
are
not be
included.
given. Yes.
So I can mix them up, right?
Yes, beta.
And I won't lose marks.
Ma'am, can you scroll?
Yeah, beta. Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
So children, tomorrow we will start our chapter, or we will do revision only. We will continue this chapter, linear equation, two variable.
Ma'am, your wish.
Okay. But I will send you the worksheet of linear equation in two variable. Try to solve those questions. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So that side by side you can do practice of your previous chapters also. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, completed, ma'am. Ma'am, could you show that question, ma'am, once?
Ma'am,
Yes.
can you scroll down a little?
Okay. Okay. Aryan, just wait for a while bit. Okay. I'm showing you the question.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I actually took 27 as 52. That's why I think I got the equation wrong.
And same with me also. I have taken 2q8, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Instead of 3q8. It's okay, beta. Just after solving the question, kindly recheck your answer. Okay. And
Okay,
this
ma'am.
is quite important before submitting the answer sheet. Kindly recheck your answer. Okay, beta? Each and every question.
Okay, ma'am.
So all have written, children. Those who have written, they can leave. Now we will meet tomorrow, beta.
Thank
Okay,
you,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, just show the
Okay,
question.
bye-bye. Yes, beta, Aryan, I'm showing.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye-bye, beta.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye-bye, beta.
Thank you, ma'am. Completed, ma'am.
Okay. Huria, have you understood, beta?
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye-bye. Rizwana, kindly stay for a while, beta.